Want to know how to find any PowerShell command instantly? Let's dive into Get Command. Get Command lists every command available in your current session, functions, aliases, scripts, and more. Add wildcards like asterisk to search by keyword. For example, service shows all commands with service in the name. Use command type to narrow your results. You can filter for cmdlets, functions, or just aliases. Want to know how many cmdlets are available? Just wrap get command in parentheses and add .count. On most systems, you'll find hundreds. PowerShell is packed with built-in power. Need file-related commands? Search by purpose. This is a great way to discover tools for automation. Want more options? Use get help get command full to see all parameters. Get command is your best friend when exploring PowerShell. Start searching smarter, not harder.